हेलो नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज हम देखेंगे एग्जाम्पल ऑन बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन। तो हमें जो है हम इस क्वेश्चन के साथ ही इक्वेशन भी देख लेंगे। अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक इट। सो वी विल स्टार्ट नाउ। हमारा क्वेश्चन है ए पाइपलाइन इज 15 centimeter in diameter and it is at an elevation of 100 meter at a section B it is at an elevation of 107 meter and has a diameter of 30 centimeter. When a discharge of 50 liters per second of water is passed through this pipeline, pressure at A is 35 kilopascal. The energy loss in pipe is 2 meter of water. Calculate pressure at B if flow is from A to B. तो देखिए यहाँ पे बेसिकली हमें इस डायग्राम में ऐसा बताया गया है कि पाइपलाइन है हमारे पास जो उसका डायमीटर 15 सेंटीमीटर है और जो एलिवेशन है उसका फ्रॉम डाटम, हम अगर कोई भी यहाँ पे एक डाटम ले ले तो वहाँ से उसकी हाइट जो होगी वो है 100 मीटर। तो हमारा हो गया वो Z1। देन आता है एट अ सेक्शन P, यहाँ पे इट इज़ द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन एट 107 मीटर, 107 मीटर पे है तो Z2 हो जाएगा 107 मीटर। हैज़ द डायमीटर ऑफ 30 सेंटीमीटर, 30 सेंटीमीटर का उसका डायमीटर है। विल डिस्चार्ज ऑफ 50 लीटर पर सेकंड ऑफ वाटर, यानी कि हमारी क्वांटिटी जो होगी वो होगी 50 लीटर्स पर सेकंड, जो है लीटर्स पर सेकंड क्वांटिटी का जो है एक लिक्विड फ्लो हो रहा है फ्रॉम 1 to B, A to B से जो है इतना क्वांटिटी का लिक्विड, मतलब 50 क्वांटिटी का लिक्विड 50 लीटर पर सेकंड जो है इतना लिक्विड वाटर जो है हमारा फ्लो हो रहा है फ्रॉम 1A to B। प्रेशर एट ए इज 35 किलो पास्कल, और प्रेशर जो है प्रेशर एट ए जो है हमारे पास वो है 35 किलो पास्कल एट ए एंड एनर्जी लॉस इन पाइप इज 2 मीटर ऑफ वाटर। एनर्जी लॉस जो हो रहा है यहाँ पे यानी कि HF फ्रिक्शनल हेड जो है यहाँ पे वो है 2 मीटर ऑफ वाटर। ठीक है, तब डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर तो 1 2 ही हो जाएगा। कैलकुलेट प्रेशर एट P इफ फ्लो इज फ्रॉम A to B। अगर A से B तक जो है फ्लो जा रहा है तो व्हाट विल बी द प्रेशर एट P। सो वी हैव टू बेसिकली फाइंड आउट द प्रेशर एट P, what is the value of pressure at P. Okay, so we have write here some of those values, so I will write here the systematically so you will understand better. We have given PA equal to 35 kilo pascal, Z1 equal to 100 meter, quantity 50 liter per second, frictional head 2 meter, Z2 107 meter, and we have diameter, two diameters, diameter at A 15 centimeter, that is 0.15 meter, and diameter at B is 30 centimeter, so means 0.3 meter. Then here we have to convert this quantity into a volume. Okay, basically means meter cube per second, So we will convert it. We know the relation between the liter and meter cube per volume, that is 1 liter equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So basically the value becomes here 0.005 meter cube per second. Okay. So here I will write the all this. So this is the relation between the 1 liter to the 1 by 1000. So as we put here the 50 and it is divided by 1000, so our value becomes 0.05. Okay, so here the quantity becomes 0.05 meter cube per second. So okay, this is the small correction you have to make. So now we will start our solution on this page. Solution. Okay, so we have the find out pressure at P. This is our aim to find out. Okay, so for that we must know velocity at A and velocity at P. Why it is required? Because the Bernoulli's equation is as follows. For this condition, as PA upon W plus VA square upon 2G plus ZA plus pressure at P upon W with density plus VB square upon 2G plus ZP. This is the Bernoulli's equation. We have to find out this value of pressure at P. Okay, this is our question based on this solution. Okay, so we must know the velocity at A and velocity at P, so we will find easily pressure at P. We know other values PA, W, 2G, ZA, W, 2G and ZW. So we will find out first velocity at A and velocity at P. We know that quantity of fluid is equal to area into velocity. Okay, so we have to find out the velocity. We know the area and quantity. Okay, so velocity at A equal to quantity upon area of A. Okay, so here quantity is 0.05 meter cube per second and area is pi by 4 into 0.15 square. Okay, so our answer is 2.82 meter per second. As it is a velocity, so the unit is 2.82 meter per second. So for velocity at P, the equation must be same, but area is area at P. So quantity 0.05 meter per cube per second upon pi by 4 into 0.3 square. So our answer is 0.70 meter per second. Okay, so we have calculated both the velocity at two different sections. As you see here, velocity at A and velocity at P has been calculated. So now we will find out pressure at P easily. So as per this formula, we will now put right here by using Bernoulli's equation from section A to P. So our equation becomes pressure at A plus W plus VA square upon 2G plus ZA equal to pressure at P upon W plus VB square upon 2G plus ZP. Okay, this is our equation become like this. But you know that in our question, as you able to see here, I will show you here this question. Okay, yeah, here is written here the energy loss is in pipe is 2 meter of water. So there will be the energy loss when water flows from A to P. So the pressure at A and pressure at B is not same. It is at pressure at B is reduced due to the energy loss. So to equate section A and B, we have to add energy loss in section P. ओके, तो मेरा मतलब कहने का ये है कि ए सेक्शन से बी सेक्शन तक जो है वाटर जा रहा है, तो वहाँ पे कुछ एनर्जी लॉस हो रहा है उसका. तो अगर हम सेक्शन ए और सेक्शन बी को इक्वेट करना है, तो सेक्शन बी पे जो है जो एनर्जी लॉस है उसको हम जब एडिशन करेंगे तो उन दोनों की वैल्यूज जो है सेम आएंगे. सो और इक्वेशन हियर इज वी हैव टू ऐड इन सेक्शन बी इज frictional head. So if we add frictional head, then it will become balanced. Okay, if you remember that if the frictional loss is not given in the frictional or energy loss not given in the question, you can consider this equation and you have to not write the frictional head. Okay, so we will simplify this equation as we transfer these values into this side. So PP upon W equal to PA upon W plus VA square upon 2G minus VB square upon 2G plus ZA minus ZB minus HF. Okay, so we will take common from in brackets. So PA plus W plus 1 upon 2G bracket VA square minus VB square plus ZA square minus ZA minus ZB minus HF. Okay, so we will take so here the only things is left in the simplification is W. We have to transfer this W in this side. So PA equal by W into W plus W into 1 by 2G VA square minus VB square plus ZA minus ZB minus HF. Okay, so this W get cancelled. So why I take this W in this big bracket, because if you transfer this W, अगर आप यहाँ से ट्रांसफर यहाँ पे करेंगे तो then will it remain in this and this equation and this equation. So I commonly take 1 multiple W for all this equation. Okay, so I hope you understand. So now we will put our values into this equation, pressure at P as it is. So we will write here the values. Value of pressure at A is 35 kilopascal plus with density is 9.81 kilo Newton per meter cube. Okay, so here the value is 9.81, bracket open, 1 by 2 into 9.81. We calculate the value of Vs square is 2.82 square minus for BB it is 0.7 square plus value of ZA is 100 minus 107 and value of HF, that is frictional head, is 2 meter. Okay, so we will calculate this value in our calculator. After calculating the value, the answer is minus 49.55 kilo Pascal. So pressure at P is minus 49.55 kilopascal. So why the value is in minus? So as you see here, the liquid is flowing from A to P. There is a frictional also. So the speed decreases. So the velocity pressure at A is decreases when it goes from to the P. So our value of pressure at A is 35 kilopascal. So it is considered as the datum और गॉज प्रेशर. ओके, सो दिस इज अ गॉज प्रेशर. मतलब हम इसे जो है अगर सिंपल लैंग्वेज में कहे तो हम ये हमारा ज़ीरो हो गया, मतलब ये वैल्यू जो हो गई हमारी ज़ीरो हो गई. अब इससे जो वैल्यू बढ़ेगी या घटेगी वो हम इसके कंपेरिजन में करेंगे. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ प्रेशर एट पी इज minus 49.55. So it is simply means there is a vacuum in the pressure at section P. Okay, so we will write here pressure at A is considered as gauge pressure and section, so therefore section P is in vacuum, or there is a vacuum in the section P. You can also write this. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your friends. And this question that we have taken right now is asked in the Anna University. Okay, so if you are a student of Anna University or preparing for that, so it is helpful for you. And this type of question also asked in the UPSC and SSC JEE. So thank you for watching. Dhanyavad.